welcome back to this Creating Voice Applications course. And in the chapter 4, we're going to discuss the custom slots that you can introduce in your scripts that you create with BotTalk. And the custom slots are slots that cover things out there in the wild, in the real life, that are not covered by the built-in Amazon kind of things or the built-in things from Google. For example, Amazon might know the first names, the last names would be difficult, but you are creating kind of the internal skill for your company, and you have a list of last names there, right? Or you have a custom kind of list of products for your skill and stuff like that. So to introduce that, we're going to use the custom slots, and the way we're going to do that is additionally to ask in a name of the of our user. We're going to ask him or her the planet that they're from, and so we're gonna do it right here in the personal greeting. So no, actually not. We're gonna create another step, and it's gonna be called Ask a Planet. And this step, Ask a Planet, will have the first action, send text. What planet are you from is going to be the question that we're giving the user, and with the get input we are waiting for the answer, and let's call the intent user planet, and then when the user says the planet, then we're gonna jump to personal greeting step. And here in the personal greeting, of course, we would then say the planet name. But we already know how to do that, right? So let's introduce the variable right here. This is a very personal greeting to you, and have a nice day at, and then the planet name, right? Planet is going to be our slot, right? So to do that, first of all, we of course need to create a user planet intent, and we go to intent and introduce the user planet intent here with a couple of utterances. Obvious, the first one could be a planet, where the user just says the planet name, right? Or it could be something like, I am from planet, I'm from Mars, whatever. My planet is, and then the planet. My home is planet. Stuff like that. I think you get the idea, right? So the more the merrier, the more utterances you use, the kind of likely it is that Alexa will actually understand what the user is saying. So we save that, and then of course we need to create this planet. And to do that, here we do it like that. We call it a planet, and then we actually introduce a couple of planets. And I gave a liberty to kind of in finding this list of planets that we have in a solar system. And all you need to do is you need to kind of create this list, basically, and know that sometimes I even don't need the question, the marks, right? So here you go. I delete all the white spaces, and yeah. So basically, this is the list of our custom kind of variants of this slot of the planet. And as I said before, it could be anything, right? Anything that Amazon doesn't know or Alexa doesn't know about yet. And yeah, so Venus, Earth, Mars, stuff like that. So we're using a planet right here. We're using a user planet intent in here. And yeah, and then it is coming all the way from our slots. Because we introduced the new intents and the new slots, it is time to redeploy our skill because Amazon would rebuild the interaction model for that, and we are waiting on that to happen. And I'm very excited and kind of nervous. It's always kind of, because I do those kind of things all the time, but still there could be small bugs, and if they are, we're gonna find them together. So let me get my Alexa to my side and to be, yay, okay, it's successfully deployed to Alexa, so let's try it out. Alexa, open greetings from Earth.
Hello from Earth. Do you want a personal greeting?
Yes.
What is your name?
John.
What planet are you from?
Venus.
This is the very personal greeting to you, John. Have a nice day at Venus.
Okay, so this is very exciting. It took two of the things that I said that it couldn't possibly guess and dynamically kind of generated this answer. Let's try again to kind of play another name, another planet, right? And let's take a look at the utterances that we use, so it could be more kind of lively, and we'll just check if she understands us. Okay, Alexa, open greetings from Earth.
Hello from Earth. Do you want a personal greeting?
Yes, of course.
What is your name?
My name is Johnny.
What planet are you from?
My planet is Mars.
This is the very personal greeting to you, Johnny. Have a nice day at Mars.
Okay, so this works. The utterances, the more complex utterances that we use, not just the name or the planet, also work. And yeah, this is very exciting and gives you kind of idea about those two types of slots. The built-in slots that you get from Amazon or from Google, and the custom slots that you could use and put everything that is beyond the scope of Amazon at the moment into your kind of scripts. And so this was it for this lesson, for this chapter, and I'm gonna see you in the next one very soon. So yeah, stay tuned.